Alright guys, so this video is sponsored by Fedora Services. I just wanted to highlight that and also a basic thing like this seller option here. Well, actually from here you can so you can become a seller by just signing up to be a seller on this platform. If you have any goods or whatever, you can actually list them on this platform and sell them from here and receive your payment or whatever. I think they only take like 1% of each good that is purchased. So yeah, it's very cheap. You can browse sellers or whatever for this is a new company, so far you only have one. I'm pretty sure it will grow in time. Yeah, so let's get into what this video is actually about. So I wanted to look at a project, a new project. I know, however, I would have spoken about doing more on the banking website. However, I feel I'm going to stop that and start something new. I was thinking about creating a portfolio for the FroshIMs page with Vuejs, maybe some JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and maybe some other little script languages at the same time, and I'll be using UIKit as well. Why this is like this is because I had created this video already, but it happened to never had any sounds in it after I would have finished recording. I don't know why, because the mic was turned on and everything, but that's what happened. So in this video, I was planning to just use this layout. However, I'm just going to cancel that thing. What I'm going to do is I am going to use UIKit to add a header here. For these videos, for this series of videos, I think that I'll probably take about 10 minutes to do each of them. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I already had UIKit up on the browser here. I'm going to just get started and go into the navbar because that's what we're going to be creating. That's the first thing that we're going to be creating in this video here. So let's find that navbar. And I did not really have like a layout or a mock-up for this thing here. However, I did have a list, well actually just two websites that I was thinking about taking some inspiration from. So that would be that one and this one. So these are portfolio websites, and I'm thinking of just drawing some inspiration from both these websites. So let's, meanwhile this load, let's find a navbar that can be used that way. Like, alright, alright, so we're gonna look for one, or probably I'll just make my own navbar. I don't see anything that I really like here. Alright, so none of that. Alright, so what I'm going to use is this one. However, I'm going to remove this side. So let's copy all of that and get back into here. But just before we go, let's look at these. So I'm not reviewing any of these websites. All I'm doing is just taking some basic inspiration from them, such as these cards with the type of languages or whatever this person would use and the tools they use to design or whatever their experience are, that. And one other thing, yeah, this right here. I like this linkages icons. Yeah, that looks great. This thing rolling across here is great as well. Just like we gotta have a good nav bar, because remember we're coding for the stupidest person, and that stupid person might not know that you have to click this little thing here to see the home. So we're going to make sure that we have a nav bar there. See if there's anything else that I may be interested in. Maybe one of these newsletter thing there, and yeah, that's about it. So let's get rid of these for now, and we would have copied this, so we're just going to get back to here. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a component. This component will be the navbar, which will be called navbar.view, and then we're just going to create a div with an ID of navi, and add this like it people, and what's that, div with an ID of navi. Alright, this is moving really slow here. Alright, there we go. Let's paste that. Good. And now this global. Wow. So we're going to import, well, that was navbar from that should have auto completed, but it's not. So I'm just going to continue. That would be at the sources folder slash compose slash pray, that's where it is. Alright, and then we're just going to was it use dot, or was it use dot components, and then we're going to have component, and we call it navbar, and then here we're going to have more components. Get how this thing is actually registered. Let's keep that should be bar. Alright, good. So it is registered. Great. Now let us add that to our output. This is where the ones that are up here are. So that's what we're going to do now. So we're just going to get rid of the, get rid of all of this. And then we're just going to add the nav bar here. And I really don't not really a fan of that syntax way. So I'm just going to add it like this. Alright, this thing is really slow. I think it may have the the style, but let us see what will happen. And we might use this link style. It's a possibility. So let us save this and then see what it looks like in the browser. Alright, so who knew what just happened? Pretty sure you knew what happened. Alright, so I was not smart enough to remember that you have to add view to the, you have to add UI kit to this project, which I did not. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add it the simple way. There's two ways to add it. You can add it by the terminal, and you can also just add the CDN. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to copy the script here. I'm going to go here and go to publics folder into the index.html, and where the links are, I'm just going to paste that right here, and I'm going to save it now. And now we should have this thing running. Alright, there we go. So now we have our links right here, and let's just add home, about, and store, because I think that was what I had there. Not sure, because yeah, I'm not sure about that. I think that was what I had. Yeah, and we're going to remove all of these and just have one for the logo. So let's go back there, and then we'll just end this video here because we don't want it to be long. So the first one is home. We'll change all of these to router links soon. Install a router and the router and stuff, which, well, it's already installed, so I just have to do it here. It's already installed, so I'm just going to add router to, and this will go to the home page here. And for this one, it will be about us, because we're a CSS person once again, and we're going to have router should be a router link. Yeah, I haven't coded view in a while. So that's router link, and then we're going to have, what else are we have router link, and then we're going to have store, and this will be to services.com. Or I'm just going to add one of my affiliate links. For now, I'm just going to add this, but add one of my affiliate links here, that if you click on this thing and buy, I may get a commission or whatever, you know. Alright, so for this one, we're just going to remove about here, nope, here, yeah, and then this one, I'm just going to copy logo. So it will be the image. This is where I put the image for the FroshIMs page logo here. Alright, so let's save this and see what we got. Alright, great. I think it's maybe a little bit too wide, but we'll work on that in the next video. So just want to say thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any suggestion, any comments, please comment that in the comment section here, and also please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss a post.